In this video, I'm going to share with you this beautiful 1980s wedding cake. But before we get into that, Scott and I have a few words to say about the 1980s.
1, 2, 3, 4! When in the refrigerator, it's not as easy as it seems. It takes a technician to scheme. Down with a butter knife and steam.
Oh my God, wow. That was like the first image I ever had of you was that video.
And you didn't run. That's just amazing.
This guy's nuts. I mean, I'll
What?
So just as an example, I'm going to show the Shocky. Okay, so here's the Shocky.
Well, Shaggy, how you doing? How's it? Where are you going? If you think Shaggy? Shaggy! Well, this Shaggy! Whoa, that's Shaggy! I want a Shaggy and a Shaggy! Shaggy! All right, break it down.
Cheers to the 80s.
Welcome to the 80s.
80s was huge for us because we met in 1984. So my girlfriend Jane asked me to make the cake, her wedding cake, and I flew out to California and I met this guy.
Yes, this guy. And then we got married in 1985. So everything that was important happened in the 80s.
All right, so I moved to California.
Which made it possible for us to make Chad.
It was my first bakery job.
Oh yeah,
So first I made the wedding cake, then I got a bakery job, and I worked with these guys.
freaks.
Yeah, remember Hanouka? Saturday Night Live.
Yes, my brother got on Saturday Night Live and he said to me, I'm gonna go on Saturday Night Live and do the church lady and become famous. I said, come on, it's not gonna happen. So I was wrong.
You were very wrong.
I was really wrong.
Very wrong.
Yeah. So we would go to bed when the sun came up.
Okay.
Yeah.
The 80s was fantastic.
It was
I
fantastic.
forgot how good the 80s were.
And the music was so good.
What do you think?
Do a little dance,
Yeah.
make a little
I'll
love,
show you.
get down tonight.
Yeah.
Is that an 80s song?
I don't know if it's an 80s
Oh, it
song.
should be. It should
yeah,
be.
but I'm going to show Scott a few moves. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
All right,
cheers.
I can do it. Cheers.
So back to the cake. This is the royal icing that I made in a live stream on last Tuesday. So at 10:15 every Tuesday, I do a live stream. Come and join me. So what I'm doing here is I'm just putting powdered sugar into the royal icing to freshen it up a little bit and to make it a little firmer, because I'm using it to decorate the side of the wedding cake. A damp cloth keeps the royal icing fresh. I used petal tip number 103. I used a 1 round tip. I used a 22 and a 14 star tip. Now here is the cake, and plastic straws are being used for dowels. You want to cut these all the same size. And the plate goes right on top. These are little pegs that you get with the plates. However, I could not get them to fit. They would not stay in, no matter how hard I tried. I tried it in various plates. So I finally gave up, and we have plan B, which is just to put some buttercream down on top, stick the plate on there, and then put the cake in the fridge and get it nice and cold so that the buttercream hardens and holds the cake together. Repeat for the second tier, and then the third tier goes on top. These pillars are 5 inches, and the cakes are a 10, an 8, and a 6. I'm going to let the video roll, and if you guys want to see really detailed tutorials on how to do all of what I'm doing here, I'm going to leave you a playlist so that you can go and check out all my other vintage cake ideas and tutorials. And in case you haven't heard, I do have a wedding cake guide at the website, weddingcakesforyou.com. Check it out. I'll leave the link below. Whoops. It's a little cockeyed. However, you'll see it in the end that the whole cake together looks amazing and you can't even tell. Now, if this was for a competition, that would be a different story. Enjoy the rest of the video. Amazing food people on YouTube, friends of mine, and I will leave their thumbnails in the video here so you can see, and a playlist so you can see all their 80s style videos too. Cheers.
Cheers. Goodbye.
Bye.